Guys, this place is part of Haeer Lakes Park, one of your favorite parks here in Riyadh. I'm showing you this video to let you know that Haeer Lakes Park is more than just a park, because there are farms and facilities inside that you can rent to hold a special occasion for your special celebration. In the middle of the dense palm updates, there is the farm, a private farm open to the public for rental. That's Abu Sultan Farm, and this is located at the western gate of the Haeer Lakes Park. This is the one I'm introducing to you. So let me now bring you inside the farm, and again, Abu Sultan Farm is a private farm open to the public for rental. This is right at the entrance area. Let me show you now the facilities that they have here, and let's begin with this one. This is the air-conditioned tent. And by the way, if you are asking about the price, during weekdays the price rental is 750 and weekends 950. The entire farm and all the facilities are all exclusively yours. Okay, let's get inside the air-conditioned tent. And there you see me walking slowly. That's my reflection, the man on the mirror. Alright, this is what they have inside the air-conditioned tent. It's actually spacious and it has a widescreen TV monitor. From the air-conditioned tent, let me bring you here. This area is where the open-air tents and other outdoor facilities are located. Alright, let me show you the facilities. Let me show you the place. The farm has two types of tents. The first one I've shown was the air-conditioned tent, and the second one is this one. This is the open-air tent. This brings you to communing with nature. Here you will find yourself seated beside the berry plants under the shade of the palm of dates. The other outdoor spaces and facilities are like this. You can sit down on the carpet under the shade of the berry plants and the palm of dates. You can take a magic carpet ride. And on this corner, this is for the kids. This is the swimming pool, and you can ask them to have this filled with water on the day that you hold your celebration inside the farm. And also they have this one, the trampoline. And of course, during your stay here, probably you want to do some cooking. You don't have to worry because they have all the utensils and the facilities that you need for cooking. Okay, let me show you more inside the farm. Again guys, this is the Abu Sultan Farm, a private farm open to the public for rental, and this is located inside the Haeer Lakes Park. You see now the location, it's by the roadside, and this is located at the western gate of Haeer Lakes Park. Western gate entrance is, the entrance via the town proper of Haeer. Alright, let me pan this way. Alright, going this way, straight ahead, you are heading to the town proper of Haeer. And I'm standing here beside the stream of the Haeer Lakes Park.